What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Way from Fade to Black. As you can see, we are in the new shop and I wanted to make a video. I'm trying to have more content coming. I thought this would be a cool video because a lot of Jeeps are out there running around the streets. The owner of this one was kind of hesitant to do the windshield. We're gonna keep it simple. We're just gonna do a 50% full windshield and we're gonna do a set of fronts. Keep it clean, keep it chill. We're not going too dark. And I wanted to film it because I know there's a lot of these running around so people can kind of get an idea of what it's gonna look like. Now, I know the lighting might not be the greatest compared to outside. You know, it's always gonna look a little different, but I told her that, you know what, the 50% full windshield will help cut back on that glare. It'll keep it chill. It won't be overly crazy dark, and it'll help you out when you're driving and you're commuting. So, and obviously we're gonna do the set of fronts. We're gonna do the fronts 20% to match the rear, because that's what I like to use. And the thing will be looking pretty sweet. So let's check it out. Let's get all this tint installed, and I'll get back with you in a few minutes. So that is the install of 50% full windshield and 20% fronts on a Jeep Wrangler. Now, as you can see behind me, it's smoked out. I'm gonna do some walk around shots. Like I said, you don't have to go crazy. You don't have to go too crazy dark to make a vehicle look good. This, we just kept it simple, 20% fronts, 50% full windshield. It'll help reduce the glare, give her more privacy, and not make it crazy dark when she's riding around at night. So that was the install, getting the windshield in. Now this windshield is pretty easy to do, I'll admit. You just cut around it, you shrink it a little bit, boom, it goes right in. The doors are a little tricky because the switches are in the middle, but it's not that big of a deal. If you've been tinting, you definitely can get it done, but I think it looks really good. I'm gonna do some walk around shots, man. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, smash that subscribe button, and I'll be back with more videos when I get time. Like I always say, thanks, stay faded, peace.